Hi, today in this short unboxing video I'll show you the newest model of Hikvision LPR camera. In the case we are using the IP2 megapixel LPR model with motorized variofocal lens 2.8 up to 12 millimeters and night mode up to 50 meters. In the package you have the mounting accessories, BNC connector, as you can see, also the small CD with the software, the screws, and quick start guide about the camera itself. Here it is. The camera is quite big. It can be mounted outside. It's IP60A. It's the camera, and it weighs about 1.5 kilo, 2.5 the whole package. In the back you'll find the DC connectors, the alarm inputs, RS485, RJ45, and alarm outputs. The camera has micro SD slot. That means you can use a memory card if you need to. And it is from the newest DeepinView series. The camera is with the junction box in the package, so it can be found in three modifications. This one with night vision up to 100 meters and motorized variofocal lens 8 to 32 millimeters, and again motorized variofocal lens 8 to 32 millimeters, which allows you to integrate the camera with access control system. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!